Shouting at the top of your voice to make a difference, so you buzz out all you're spinning your life up in the air. A long, long way until you figure it out. Back to the basics of how you got there. Tonight we're living like the end of the world is finally happening. Scream until our voices are gone, and they will do it again. This is a chance to make things right. This is a chance to feel alive and shout it out. Until you give it a shot. I said there's nothing that can slow you down or make you stop. Just keep it moving and then take it to the ends of the earth and shout it out until you find out what it's really worth. The figure, there's only one way back in the end. You take a long, hard look and then you do it again. Tonight we're living like the end of the world has arrived. This is a chance to feel alive. Come on and shout it out. Whoa, give me something true worth singing. Whoa, what's it mean to you? singing these old songs the whole lives through is where we're found. They touched our hearts, they saved our lives. Through thick and thin, they've been there to help us through and reconcile and singing. Whoa, give me something true, we're singing. Whoa, what's it mean to you, we're singing.